Welcome back to Burn the Map Adventures. On last episode, you saw me pull out my old drawer system. On this episode, we're going to install a new one. Check it out. Two years ago, I designed my Overlanding drawer system with zero compromises. Except wait. Today, we're going to fix my problem by installing an all-aluminum-based, lightweight drawer system designed specifically for a two-door Jeep. When I first built my drawer system, my first priority was strength and durability. 3/4 inch plywood is sturdy, it's solid, but it weighs a ton. Between all the wood, industrial drawer slides, carpet lining, weight added up pretty quickly in this setup. Over time, I noticed it in acceleration, handling, sag in the rear suspension, and of course, gas mileage, because it's not cheap in LA. By switching to a lightweight material like aluminum, I save about half the weight in the rear of this Jeep, which is everything off-road. It's stronger where it needs to be, but lighter everywhere else. So this drawer system is built by a company called American Adventure Lab, based out of St. George, Utah. It comes with a base platform that's super modular. You can customize it in any way. I chose the ultralight drawer with the fridge slide pullout. This one is designed specifically for the two-door Jeep. They make ones for all different kinds of cars out there. Yeah, enough talking. Let's just jump right into this install. Let's go. So first day of the year, we decided to go on a little day trip here. The drawer system's working out perfectly. We got a couple beers packed in the cooler. I don't have a fridge yet, so the Yeti actually fits perfectly in the slide out. I also got my portable battery block and my camera bag in there. Now it's super lightweight. So actually driving out here on the freeway, I could feel the car a little less heavy. The acceleration came up to speed a little easier, and I felt like I wasn't fighting in the slow lane anymore. So that about wraps up this video. If you enjoyed, please hit the like and subscribe below. It would really help me out. And remember, build lighter, travel farther. See you on the next one.